All right, guys, let's make some delicious sandwich bread that you know every ingredient that's in it because you made it and it looks beautiful and it tastes delicious right by itself or as grilled cheese. Is that beautiful yeast activating? Looks pretty. Wow. My butter softened and I'm fixing to start adding my flour. All right, y'all. I doubled my bread even though this recipe does call for double as it is, but it goes. Pretty clean. Probably should have added just a couple of dabbles more flour to get it completely clean, but it'll be all right. I'll throw some flour on top and mix it right on up. Oh, I guess you can see me. Let me turn it down. There it goes. This is gonna be a big old. Anyway, you can see it's not stretchy, not sticking to, well, yeah, hold on, let me get the rest of this because it stuck to my hand just a smidge, not much. Whew, that's a big old dough ball. Whew. Okay. Stretchy. It's not sticking to my hands. There we go. Now, I'm just gonna put it down in here. Okay. Cover it. Gonna double in size. That's the game plan. All right, y'all. I only had to do an hour and a half. Look at that. It has definitely risen. This is the fun part. Just push it down. That's fun. Anyway, There we go. Now last time I did these, they made huge loaves, but they were so good, so I'm just gonna go with it. I'm gonna cut this. I don't have a scale, that's on my to buy list, and then I can be a professional. But anyway, what I was told was that last time I really made more like 4 loaves versus just 2. So anyway, and they said they don't even roll theirs out. They just kind of stretch it out like this. They move a lot faster than I do. I guess I take care of it. Think I'm gonna hurt it if I go too fast. But you can go either way you want to. Yeah, I almost think I need to do it in 4s like it says, because my recipe actually doubled it and I didn't realize that. Oh, I ain't got y'all down enough, have I? See, I only have 2 bread trays right now. I need to eventually get some more, but can only do a little bit at a time. So that's what one looks like, and when it rises, it's gonna be a lot bigger. It was so good last time. I had no problems getting people to eat it. Ooh, I should do one with like cheeses and all in it. No, I'm not gonna do it. Eventually, I will start playing around and add cheese and jalapeno. I only have pickled jalapeno, and I don't think that would be that great in it. So, I mean, I could do cheese bread, but I just did that Italian cheese bread, so I'm just gonna do some regular bread. They loved it last time. I just pinched where it meets up together. All right, there's the loaves. Let them rise for 30 minutes, and I'm just gonna stick them right back in the microwave where I had them, not turn it on, but it was still warm from where I cooked my corn, so it'll be maybe quicker than 30 minutes. But all right, there's our bread. It is finished rising, and that's how much it's sitting up over. These will be going in for 32 to 36 minutes. Just watching the top for brownness. All right, this is straight out of the oven. Let it cool for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna put some butter on it. All right, I'm just gonna butter up the loaf.